kugamba ngu kitalo kino ogumulyango w'ijuru.
Amina.
Bishop w'ubureberezi bwa Renzo Right Reverend Robin Kisembo Elizoba yateka ibara ha kanisa ya All Saints Jesus Supply Church of Uganda mu Fort Portal City.
Ya naftale yitwa Jesus Supply nka sinode nikiriza kanisa eno kibiri ibara kugeza All Saints nabeke tugonza kwanda biringi bane rishaka kandi bebalesite imana y'Imana.
Amina. Omutumwa bwe Bishop Kisembo yagira ngo emyeto terkwenda kukora kandi eki kiretsireho bworo.
Mubaleze rero abantu babo the hands. Usanga bese rero bisigire rangi za kusizire. Kuna pata kita ukansa still life kwa bisa ninakora ukirigo ukirago utambara sikachapati sika ukakabakara work with your hands ukala farming yale fakabla bile sumawiki za tapeti mtunguru musisi mchupa in your compounds. You must work with your hands.
Mind is the devil's workshop. Ninsaba abantu tugire kitwakora tulengeho abokuba kuonka nukuletera obwongo kushishikara nokutekereza ebintu ebitaliyo ninterera ensinganto ninterera abantu tugire kitwakora.
Bishop Kisembo yayoreka ngu eminyeto eijwiro mbihome habo kuremwa kukora bakazo mbuhenda biragiro.
The majority of inmates are young people. Young people bali mukomo because of illness bakasihana barawaza baiba bali mukomo ambush in prisons. And all prisons are congested because of illness, mainly by the young people. And imanya mahabari na masidazi wengi walikujahi, walikuirungi, walikuanda, mchalisi mkulu, walazabeti, wakikara. So it is the solution years. Watu wafuka mlime, sika chapati, do something with your hands.
Kanduwe Reverend Wile Kintu Muhango meya w'orurembo rwa Fort Portal yajumirire cy'abantu okukozesa ebitokoza bwongo nuko kushabikira kwataho kurebeka ngo bakora nshongeje.
Saba ningenda kwandikira na ekitongole kyekikujunanizibwa kutekaho omutindo habintu ebyabantu barukozesa ningenda kihandikira kija hano mu Fort Portal City okuseruliza ebyokunywa bino ebinyakuro obiraba bira mutindo gunyakwikeri. As of recent nturora abana baitu nibajegema amatama abana baitu nibasiskara habwe byokunywa ebinyakwingura ine bingi muno kandi ebyokunywa bino abantu nibatugambira ngo percentage nyingi the spirits.
Bishop Robin Kisembo yashaba abakristayo okuratira ebyahandikirwe ebyedini kutakuratira ebyensi.
But there's a growing tendency now in our church. People come and just sit. Hata mjamaa yuzi wanapo zile zile. Tena sente ndio fayo sawa. Yesu so the church.
Gasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki mu Fort Portal.